This will be an aeropress coffee brewing with 1 tablespoon of coffee beans not yet ground. The aeropress cylinder, the aeropress piston, and the filter is pre-wet so it sticks to this cap. Okay, I've just now ground the beans and I'm going to invert the aeropress and I'm going to add the ground coffee right into the cylinder. I have water freshly boiled, it's still boiling right now. And I'm going to add water to about that mark there. But not right away. I first put in a bit of water to help get the extraction started. Almost to the mark that I showed you. Not quite there. Maybe just a tad bit more. And I'm going to give a brief stir, just a brief stir. And I cover with the cap. And I wait. I'm going to wait about another minute or so. Now trust me, the time has passed. That was about a minute, minute and a half. I'm going to put the cup on here, reverse the inversion, and press down. All the way till it doesn't go anymore. But not too badly. And that gave about 5.5 to 6 fluid ounces of brewed coffee.